Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern, upper, and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2014. We're looking at a wintry mess of precipitation that will be overspreading northern Michigan over the next couple of days. The main threat will probably begin late Thursday afternoon or Thursday night across parts of northern lower Michigan, and then that precipitation will spread northward into the Upper Peninsula later Thursday night and into the day on Friday. There is still a fair bit of uncertainty as to exactly what sorts of precipitation types we will see. A lot of it will depend on how surface temperatures respond, which will be a bit tricky with some cool high pressure to our north pumping cooler, drier air in on northeasterly low-level winds, while warm, more moist air comes in aloft and comes over the top of that cooler surface air, which sets the stage for what could be some pretty nasty travel conditions in some spots. But the details are still a little bit uncertain, so be sure to stay tuned to later forecasts as we refine the details of this potential storm over the next couple of days. So we're looking at a fairly nice day today across northern Michigan with high pressure building in, and then the precipitation will begin to increase as we head later into the day on Thursday. More so for northern lower Michigan, they'll probably see some precipitation beginning even later tonight downstate. And then we could see anywhere from sleet to freezing rain, snow, and rain Thursday night into Friday. Some areas could see some significant ice accumulation, but exactly which areas those are is still uncertain. And then that may change over to all snow on the back side of the system across the Upper Peninsula as it winds down Friday night and into early Saturday. So a real mess. Looks like it'll be in the cards over the next 48 to 72 hours. Here's a look at the current weather map. We see yesterday's system that passed through the upper Great Lakes, now across northern Ontario. Still with some light precipitation, mainly in the form of some lake effect snow showers this morning across the UP. High pressure over the Dakotas builds in later on today, and that will set the stage for our decent weather afternoon today. Temperatures will still be a little on the cool side in some spots. But we see on the bottom map here on Thursday, we start to see some precipitation beginning to work its way northward out of the Ohio Valley and into parts of Wisconsin and lower Michigan in the form of snow or mixed rain and snow, and that will continue to spread northward heading to Thursday night and Friday. And as I mentioned, there could be a wide variety of precipitation types across the region. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Thursday morning.